Hi everyone, it's Allison from CraftyisCool.com, and this is a video I've been wanting to do for a while. I just haven't gotten around to it. Life, quarantine, you know, pandemic. I've just been doing other stuff, but I wanted to show you something that I'm so excited about. It's a brand new thing for me. I've never done anything like this, but I got tired of waiting around. I got tired of being told no. So I just grabbed the bull by its horns and went with it. I have created my brand new line of yarn called AmiguruMe SkinTones. Now this yarn is something that you'll only find from me, from CraftyisCool.com. It's in limited supply. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Those bins. That's all I got right now. I'll be ordering more. But I've already sold out once and I replenished the stock. So it's popular, y'all. Like it. I've seen amazing stuff made with it and I'm really excited because I made stuff with it, you know, but to see other people make things, it's really satisfying. So I wanted to talk to you about it and show you the colors that I came up with, the qualities of the yarn that I really like, why I chose this kind of yarn, and what's the deal with my yarn. So, okay, without further ado, let me start at the darkest end of the spectrum. The first set of colors we have are the darks. This is dark 1, and this is dark 2. Now, you might just say, oh, well, you can find brown yarn, you know, pretty easily, which is true, but I don't know if you can see my yarn wall. I have brown yarn. I have a ton of brown yarn. But the brown yarns that I have are either usually too reddish, like pinkish, or too gray, like a taupe undertone, or they're just like the texture's wrong or something. So when I was looking for yarns and browns to use, I wanted to get something that was really realistic, like to a person's skin tone. So I picked these two colors to be the first two of the brown, the dark line of my yarn. And yeah, I really enjoyed working with. I used this one for hair the other day, for dark hair. So these are my labels. Aren't they cute with my logo? You know, I drew that like so long ago and I've just never changed it. I like her. It's a cute font. Okay, so each yarn ball looks like this. It's 50 grams and 120 yards. So you can get a full doll and then some. I made a doll completely out of this yarn only, so it was like naked, and I had some left over. So that tells you there's a lot in it. I hadn't, you know, I usually just say it's gonna take a ball of yarn or less. So when I write my patterns and stuff, so I might be paying more attention to that now on, since I'm selling my own yarn. But I know you can get a full doll at least out of a ball. It's 100% acrylic also, it says on the back. It's, I chose acrylic because it has good stitch definition. It's, nobody's really usually allergic. Wool, a lot of people have that problem. Some people have ethical things about wool. It's, I mean, as long as I'm buying it from somebody that's, I know, then I like it. But anyway, I digress. This is 100% acrylic. It's a little bit stretchy, but it's not gonna stretch out. Since I've been using it, I have not had any problem with like the holes showing in any of my work. Here's something stuffed. A little sneak peek of something that I'm working on. Her face, see, she only has hair in the front. But her face, her head and her hands and everything are from my yarn line. And there's no holes where stuffing's coming through. The stitch definition is really nice. It's a matte finish. So it's got, is that focusing? It's a matte finish. So it's got, you know, it's not going to be shiny and it doesn't squeak in your hands when you're crocheting with it. I hate that. Anyway, so it's really nice to work with. Cotton. A lot of people like cotton, but unless something is specifically like super soft cotton, then it's so hard for me. Like, it really hurts my hands for some reason. And if you overstuff something cotton, and then you know, like accidentally, I do that all the time. I know we all do it. And then you take out some stuffing to fix it. It'll like keep its shape and it'll be like stretchy, weird. So I like acrylic, and it's affordable too. So I'm able to have lower prices on it. Okay, going down in the darkness, getting lighter, I guess. This is, the next category is tan 1 and tan 2. So these are kind of a brown, just someone with a little more color in their skin. Adding hair to these, like you could make something that someone that's like really tan, like just with a tan with this one and like blonde hair. Or someone even made a Dave Chappelle on my Instagram. So cute. She made Jenny Bones. She made a Dave Chappelle doll with this one and you know, black eyebrows and stuff, and it was really cute, and it was just the perfect color. Okay, so that's tan 1 and tan 2. Now getting lighter, this is medium 1 and medium 2. Now they look really light here, but this is going to be a little more of like an olive complexion, or a lighter skin that doesn't have a lot of peach in it. So this one, you know, I used this for Hamilton, Alexander Hamilton, and this one could be for, you know, just someone with fair skin that doesn't necessarily have like a rosy undertone. This is just a real good neutral, light color. Okay, and then the lightest two are light 1 and light 2. Now, these are going to be just for really fair skin. This one has kind of a peachy golden undertone to it. I don't know if you can tell. And then this one is a little bit more pinky. So if you have, my skin's kind of red, I would probably use this for my skin. This is light 2. And let me hold it up to these. You can kind of tell that how the undertones are different. This is like way more neutral. Medium 1 and 2, and then light 1 and 2. These are peacher, pinker, rosier. This is more of like an olive complexion. Okay, so those are the 8 colors. I am going to add some shots of them all lined up so you can see them kind of in a blend, kind of a blend look. When I got them, I was just so excited to use them because they were so soft, and so just the yarn is just really nice. It doesn't split when you're using it, and it's just a really good, what do you call that? The plies just stay together nicely. So I crocheted this swatch of all the colors lined up, and it's just really neat. Someone suggested I should make like a sweater or something, like a blanket. It's just a really nice, pretty rainbow of skin tones, realistic skin tones that we are actually these colors, aren't we? So this is starting at the lightest. That's light 1, light 2, medium 1, medium 2, tan 1, tan 2, dark 1, dark 2. So you can see the colors, how they look next to each other. These are the leftover strands. I left those on just because I wanted to see how they did. They're not unraveling, so it's nice. Anyway, so really excited about this yarn. And like I said, the only place to get it is at CraftyisCool.com. There's some deals when you buy the full set, or you can just buy one ball individually and just try it out. You can buy a set of tan and dark. You can buy a set of light and medium. So you get a deal when you buy a set of 4 of the light or a set of 4 of the tan and dark. And then the best deal is when you buy them all together. So I hope you enjoy them. I hope that you make some cool stuff with them. And I'm really excited. I hope to add more colors to this line someday. I am always on the lookout for, you know, if there's something missing. So leave a comment. What do you think I need to add some colors in there? I'm always open to suggestions. I wanted to start with at least 8. And I think there's something for everyone. So thanks for following along on this journey, and I hope to see you at CraftyisCool.com. Email me if you have any questions, and tag me in any pictures you post with my yarn. I'd love to see. Thanks. Bye.